Following the cleaning stage, the seeds undergo crushing process. In this phase, specialized crushers break down the hemp seeds into smaller pieces, increasing their surface area and making it easier to extract the oil. After crushing, the seeds move to the cooking and steaming section. The next critical component is the pressing machine. Here, the pre-treated seeds are subjected to mechanical pressure to extract the oil. Modern screw presses or hydraulic presses are commonly used in this stage, ensuring maximum yield while minimizing waste. The pressed material, known as cake, after extraction, the crude oil may still contain solids or impurities, so it moves to the filtering or refining section. Filtration systems, including centrifuges or multi-stage filters. Finally, the refined hemp seed oil is stored in tanks before being bottled or packaged for distribution. Throughout the entire process, automation and monitoring systems play a vital role in ensuring consistency, safety, and efficiency. Together,